Good morning, this is Michael with Terry Hendricks. I'm out here with our 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Limited. Giving you a walk around video here just to see what kind of condition and options you can expect on this vehicle. Really no scratches, dents, or dings on it except for one along the driver's side, and I'll highlight that for you. This vehicle's got good tire tread depth on it. You've got rear parking sensors, 360 view camera option on this. So you've got a backup camera on the back, the two sides, and one on the front, so it gives you a full overhead view. You've also got, since the seats are still back here, I'm going to bring them both up here for you, an automatic stow option for the third row. So I'm going to do both, hit normal to bring them back up, show you that the operation on these is working good. And you can actually decide how you want to do either side individually if you wanted to. Anything in particular you have questions on that, just let me know. Automatic back lift gate. Tire tread depth is looking great on here. Rims are in great condition. Got a little bit of corrosion overall, just a little bit of the curb rash. Started a little bit of corrosion on that, but other than that, they're in great shape. This is the scuffs that I was talking about on the left-hand side. A little guy here and a little guy there. Nothing crazy. We could probably buff that out, honestly. Second row is looking good. Nice sunroof view. That's going to have also the third moonroof available. This is also equipped with the DVD screens on the back of the seats. Entertainment system there. Got some stow options. The second row also has heated seats on there. This van is equipped with blind spot sensors. You can see the little triangle on the mirror there. Also power folding mirrors. Memory seating available. Automatic lights. On the inside here, you got Bluetooth and voice recognition options here on the left hand side. Adaptive cruise is available on the right. That's that sensor on the front bumper. You're also looking at mileage here being 27,346. No lights on the dash. This vehicle's got the advanced safety tech group, so that's got that advanced, or the adaptive cruise, the 360 camera view. You've got self-parking features, turn your sensors on and off, as well as your lane departure option. On the controls here, you've got heated and ventilated seats. There's that 360 view camera. Right now it's showing you the back as well as the overhead on the left hand side. There's those cameras are on each of the mirrors, so if I open the driver's side door, that turns that camera off. Likewise, I'll do the same for the back gate and the right side door, passenger door, if you open that up. But you can kind of get a fisheye lens on either one of these, front, back, and then if you want to take a look at the front as well as the overhead, you can. I can go into a lot more details on this van. There's just a lot of goodies on here. But give us a call, 419-445-2576. Let us know if you have anything in particular you're curious about. I'd like to be able to share some details. If you're working with me directly, 419-495-5882. Again, this is Michael with Terry Hendricks. Thanks a bunch.